Hello students, now we are going to start sample paper issued by CBSE this year, and we are taking standard question paper first. So first I am taking this question: if x into y is equal to 180, means product of two numbers they have given 180 and their HCF is 3. We have to find LCM of these two numbers. So you can see here, we know that LCM and HCF, if you take LCM of two numbers and HCF of two numbers, if you multiply these two numbers, that will be equal to the product of these two numbers, means first number into second number. LCM we don't know, HCF they have given 3, and here first number is x, second number is y. So LCM we want to find out, HCF they have given 3, so it will be written here. Now product of these two numbers x into y or xy they have given 180. So from here we can easily find out LCM. 3 will go this side and it will divide, so LCM will be 60 degree. And one more important thing after that, you see, boys and girls, this rule is applicable only for two numbers. If we are talking about LCM of three numbers x, y and z into HCF of these three numbers x, y and z, that will not be equal to x into y into z. This will be applicable only for two numbers. So that is first question. After that, in that one they have given or also. Option they have given. See girl, see boys. He is asking the decimal representation of this number will terminate after how many decimal places. So you see in the denominator, power of 2 or degree of 2 is 1 and the degree of 5 is 4. So 1 is greater or 4 is greater? 4 is greater. That's why this number will be terminated after 4 places of decimal. So its answer will be after 4 places. Sometimes they want to check whether you know the concept perfectly or not. See this question. We know if a number is expressed in the form of p by q, then it is called rational number, and it will be terminating if this q denominator, its prime factors will be in the form of 2 and 5. Their power can be m and n. Here m and n are any non-negative integers. So if we have any other number except 2 and 5, then it will be non-terminating and repeating. So in order to check whether you know better or not, first you suppose this type of question has come. So first you will have to see whether you leave 2 and 5, only you check that extra number, whether this number is cancelled on this 3 or not. If it is cancelled, then it will be okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it will be 23 upon 2 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 2. Now if they are asking from you whether it is terminating or non-terminating repeating, because we have now 2 and 5, so it will be terminated. And if they are asking after how many places of decimal will it be terminated, so here power is 3, so it will be terminated after 3 places of decimal. So that is question number 1, and some extra questions we have done today. And see students, this type of question is in your exercise NCERT, your textbook, exercise 1.4, question number 4. So you can solve that question also, and that type of questions you can form your own, or you can search from other help books and do practice. Okay, I think you understood. Thank you students. If you liked it, like and share with your students and subscribe it. Thank you very much.